Hey, I'm Josh Nelson. I'm the Director of Applied Performance here at Baylor University. So today we're going to kind of think about looking at our calendar, more importantly our schedule for each single day. We're going to use a modified form of the Franklin-Covey planning system. Basically what the Franklin-Covey planning system is a method of organizing the time throughout our day to make sure that we get what we need to get done completed. We're going to prioritize what's the most important things from things that can be put off until the next day or even to the weekend. So let's just kind of think about over the course of the day. There's some things, and we can weight them differently. So some things that are immediate, studying for a test that's occurring tomorrow, going to practice, preparing something for a conversation I may have with a professional, a teacher, something like that. That's immediate. It deserves an A. Okay, so in a priority. So when we're thinking about our objectives, we want to go A, B, C, D. A most important, all the way down to a little bit less important. So let's say today I need to prepare for a certain presentation that I'm going to give. Okay, let's say we'll call it final prep. Final prep. Okay, that deserves an A. Okay, so let's say I also have a quiz and another test. That's also a priority A. It's got to get done today. It's got to get done right now because it's very immediate. But I've got two A's. So this one may be an A1, then an A2. Okay, so study for quiz. Okay, so then, I've got to do some reading for tomorrow. Very important, but again, it's not immediate. I can do it tonight. I may even can do it tomorrow. So I'm going to hit some reading. Okay, so I got to get some gas as well because this weekend I may be going home. That may be priority C, so we'll gas the truck up. I'm going to watch some TV. There's some good ball games on. Again, it's important to me, but it's not immediate for me, so it may be D. Hit some laundry. Got to make sure I got some fresh clothes. So, but again, I got plenty. So again, it can wait until the weekend. So I may do some laundry here. So now I got my priority list. I got things that are immediate. It's got to get done today. Those deserve category A, and you can see how we can group them in. Okay, so there can be an A1, A2. These things got to get done today, but there's different hierarchy or levels of importance between these two. Then reading, that's got to get done, but it's not immediate. Like right now, I can do it tonight. I may even can do it tomorrow. So it's very important, but not as important as A1, A2. Get some gas in the truck, do some laundry, and then some leisure time. You can kind of see how these things are accordingly to importance. Okay, so from there, what we're going to do is we're going to work to put that on our calendar. And, you can have any type of calendar you want. You can have a formalized calendar that you go down to the Office Depot and get, where it's got the different hours. You can make your own. It could be on a loose leaf piece of paper every single week that you draw. But whatever you need to do, you need to be consistent and make sure it works for you. So in this case, let's just say that this is this morning. Started at 8 o'clock, and it's going to go to around 11:30 noon. I look at my objective list and I say, okay, what do I got to get done today, and what are my appointments? So let's say I have an 8 a.m. class and it's going to stretch until 8:50, 9 o'clock. What I'm going to do is actually draw a physical block. I'm going to draw a physical block of time, kind of chunking that out all the way to that 9 o'clock time. I know there I'm in class. Let's say I don't have another class until 10 o'clock. Okay, so I'm going to draw basically a block right here of time. That's going to go to a 10:50 here. I know that period of time is off limits because I got class. Well, if you look really quickly, you can see this period of time is a wonderful opportunity. It's a window, a free opportunity for me to get something done. So what I'll do then is plug something here into those windows of time. Let's say I'm preparing for something later in the afternoon. Maybe A1 goes into this period, and I will spend 15 minutes, 20 minutes of this opportunity, this window of opportunity, working on that. Then basically throughout the rest of the day, I'm just going to tag these things. Okay, I know I got to transit over to the ballpark. I got to go to the stadium for practice. I'm going to get some gas along the way. So that goes C. And then all the way to the nighttime, where I may end with D. Now, here's the cool thing about this. We want to try to stay ahead on everything that we're doing. So before your week starts on Sunday, go ahead and plan your week. Have this laid out for the week. It doesn't have to be all filled in. Put your objectives down for the week. And it doesn't have to be all filled in either, but put some things as it's coming out on your calendar. Then the night before you go to bed, plan tomorrow. Then as soon as you wake up, you know exactly what you got to do, and you can hit the ground running without having to scramble and figure out what you actually have to do through the day. Hey, really appreciate the time here. Good luck starting the semester strong. And again, plan, be organized, and find the way that works for you.